So I have made an organizational chart over here, but it does not look that great. Actually, the alignment is a bit off and everything looks just messy. So what I can do is I can go to the layout options and then rearrange everything out. For example, over here, I got the CEO and you can see that there's CDO and MD. Let's say I want it to be something like center line. So what I can do is I can select the CEO and I can go over layout here, as you can see, and there are different layout options for horizontal and vertical layout, as you can see right here. There's also side by side, as you see right here. So I'm going to go into side by side and apply this sort of a method. You can see that this is a line from left to right, but I want it center aligned just like this. So single top just like that, and you can see that that is how it arranges just like that. Let me just go over here into center analysis, and there you go. So just click and drag. That still is not what I'm looking for, so I'm going to go for horizontal equal layout just like this. Yes, this is what I'm looking for. So now you can see that there's the technical support and everything else. So I want it to arrange everything out by itself. So I'm going to select the CTO, and over here, let's say I want the bottom left just like this. So bottom left over here, and you can see that it arranges out the shapes just like that. I can also go over here and I want to arrange it onto the right over here just like that. So that's already on the right, so nothing much changed right here. So maybe I just want this on the left side, right? There you go. So I'm just going to select this, going to cancel, right? Select this on the left side because there's too much space on the right. So let's drag it, and there you go. So there you go, that's my CTO and everything else right here. Let me just press Ctrl Z, just drag it out right here. Let's click and drag, and you can see that everything arranges just like that as well. So now for the IT officer, since there's space over here, let me select this out. I'm going to align it to the right just like this. So let's align it right there. There you go. There's the technical support. There's the CDO. There's the technical support right here. There's the IT officer, which aligned according to what I actually said. So I'm going to select 3 of these. Let's say I want it to be aligned like this. There you go. So let me just select this one, the parent, and then align it vertically just like that. So looks much more cleaner. And what I can also do is I can lay out everything. So if I were to press relayout, you can see that it goes into previous layout setting for the best fit. I can also best fit it into place so it lines everything out. So just like that, you can go into design, choose your particular color just like that. This you can select the color over here, go to color, and then select everything out just like that according to what makes best for the type of design that you're going to go for. So that is how you can work with the layout options inside of Microsoft Visio. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.